Here's a bombshell that could shake up the financial world. Raphael Bostic, president of the Atlanta Federal Reserve, hints that a rate cut might be on the table for the September Fed meeting. But here's where it gets controversial. While some see this as a necessary move to balance risks, others argue it could reignite inflation fears. Let's dive into the details and unpack what's really at stake. Bostic's recent statements highlight a growing sense of balance between the Fed's dual mandates, maintaining price stability and maximizing employment. According to Bloomberg, he noted that risks to these mandates have become more evenly weighted, which could pave the way for a potential rate cut. But this is the part most people miss. Bostic also emphasized that businesses are struggling to absorb higher tariffs, a point echoed by Financial Juice. This raises a critical question. Is a rate cut enough to offset the economic strain caused by trade policies? In a thought-provoking message on the Atlanta Fed's website, Bostic discussed the complexities of navigating a $30 trillion economy in 2025. From unclear trade implications to proposed federal deregulation and tax changes, uncertainty reigns supreme. Geopolitical tensions add another layer of complexity, making it challenging for policymakers and businesses alike. Bostic's travels across the Southeast reveal a striking trend. Few business leaders feel confident in their 6-month forecasts. This lack of certainty underscores the delicate balance the Fed must strike. Meanwhile, economic data paints a mixed picture. Job openings in July remain steady at 7.2 million, but factory orders dropped by 1.3%, signaling potential weakness in manufacturing. The labor market, while robust, shows signs of cooling, with job openings hitting a 10-month low. High inflation remains the Fed's primary concern, but a weaker labor market could justify a quarter-point rate cut this year, a move Bostic seems open to. But here's the million-dollar question. Is a rate cut the right move, or could it backfire by reigniting inflation? On one hand, it could provide much-needed relief for businesses grappling with tariffs and economic uncertainty. On the other, it risks undermining the progress made in taming inflation. What's your take? Do you think a rate cut is warranted, or should the Fed hold off? Let's spark a debate in the comments. Your perspective could be the missing piece in this economic puzzle.